Yo, it's White Dynamite. This is my story from the beginning, so check it. Watching meth busters being lazy as hell until I got up cause I heard the doorbell. Opened up the door but there's no one around except for this box that I found on the ground. The box from the ground was addressed to me. Opened it up, found a magical scroll. I don't know, but the scroll looks old, so I started to read from left to right. I thought it was weird that the scroll was tight. What the scroll said, it blew my mind. The message read like the following rhyme. In these dark times we need a light, a present day hero, the battle the night. Shine bright, for you are the light. Choose a weapon to aid your fight. Whatever you choose will give you great strength. I thought to myself what the scroll meant, especially the part about the weapon to fight. I thought about a bat knife, even my voice, but the scroll left me with a life-altering choice. Gave it great thought, what could it be? I decided to go with an App State hoodie as the great weapon to help with my fight. Gave myself the name White Dynamite. Gave myself the name White Dynamite. I gave myself the name White Dynamite. When the hood's on, it's White Dynamite.